morning mga Katimbo Vlogs! Today is July 17, 2024 here at Wellington, New Zealand. Araw ng sahod. But before that, check muna natin tong 2163 with registration plate number FJQ531. It's ready to expire December 27, 2024. Check na natin mga Katimbo Vlogs kung mga ano niya, yan. Importante lang naman dyan ay matingnan kung may bagong damage at saka kung yung mga adjusters ay magkakatapat. So all good. Bagong washing lang itong 2163 and adjusters are all good. Okay. So all good. Yan, mga luma na yan, luma. Yan. Then likod. Ayan. Let's see. Adjusters. All good. Adjusters. All good. Oh, what happened there? Hilang siguro yan. Mga adjusters are all good. Yan. Tignan natin, baka may nawawalang upuan, baka ninakaw para hindi tayo mapagbintangan. All good. All good. Okay, all good. All good. So, until next video bus vlog. Alam!